Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the house of Vince Camuto. Vince Camuto is a brand from United States. They've been around for around 20 years or so, and they have few fragrances in their lineup which are quite well known and impressive. I unboxed and reviewed at least two of their fragrances before, and they are very impressive, especially for a price. So when I saw this beauty, is called Vince Camuto Homme Intenso, I had to get it and see how it goes. So this is a Vince Camuto Intenso Homme or pour homme, and it's 100 ml eau de parfum. Is aimed for men, and in United Kingdom you can find it under £50. And let's see how it goes. In other parts of the world you have to do your research to see if it's available, and if it's available how much it goes for. It is not readily available. In United Kingdom you can only find it in one place, and that is Notino right now. I have no idea how many they have, but they have it in stock. So let's see how it goes. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. Thank you for your likes, thank you for your comments, thank you for your sharings, thank you for your subscription. By the way, subscription is free, but those things will help this channel to keep going and bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money and they smell great, and they are definitely hidden gems. If you want to invite me to a coffee, you could do that as well. I appreciate that very much. So you could see in the links the details if you want to do that. Thank you very much from bottom of my heart, and let's go. So sorry about the noise, and here we go. Usually with House of Vince Camuto they have good presentation. So as you can see, a simple box, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle, and it's a dark blue color, and the bottle is very good looking and very good in the hand, good in the eye. Usually they are very good quality. Look at that beautiful bottle, very heavy, and also attention to detail is everywhere. And the cap is very heavy metal, and the atomizer is kind of platinum color to it. And here we go, very good atomizer. Psh, it goes, puts out so much juice. Okay, let's see how it goes. So Vince Camuto Homme or pour homme, and this is Intenso version. Don't mix it up with other Homme, because that one is a few years old. This one, it came out in 2021, so this is a newer version of it. And here we go, let's go. First sniff, first impression. Woo, it's filling room already. Here we go. Beautiful, gorgeous. So first thing it hits me is the herbalness of it. It's very herbal, it's leafy, it's green, it's grassy. Little bit of seaside feel to it, little bit of saltiness, but the salt is not big in here. It's not a huge salty like that Zara coastal salt, whatever, it's got 4 names in it. That one was a huge dose of salt in it. This one is similar genre of that Zara's coastal salt something, but they toned down the saltiness of it. So it is quite salty, but it's not overly salty. So it is quite palatable, universally palated. Definitely I smell citrus. I smell at least bergamot and lemon together, maybe a little of grapefruit as well. And it's quite refreshing, it's quite fresh, it's quite happy, it's quite inviting, it's very easy going, and it is overall quite aquatic. So it is a very aquatic fragrance, and also it's got green herbal feel to it. Yeah, it's quite woody, and the woods are here very clean. So it is a combination of cedar and sandalwood to making it very, very clean woody. It's got a little bit of floral feel to it, but it's just a small amount. It's not a big on the florals, but I can smell something something like a tea or bamboo, something in that vein, and also a little bit of white floral in here as well. So overall, what to take from the first impression, first sniff: very aquatic, sea salt, seasidey. Just when I smelled it, immediately took me to the seaside. It's like you are on the resort, you're drinking something nice, and you're relaxing, and you are having a great time. So it will remind you of this kind of themes, this kind of events, this kind of places. So seaside is a little bit of sea saltiness and aquatic, little bit of green feel to it overall, herbal and leafy and green grassy feel to it, and also big on the citrus, which is a combination of lemon, bergamot, and a little bit of grapefruit. In the mid we have a little bit of floral to make it a little bit of soft in the mid, and also I can smell something like a bamboo-ish, tea-ish smell to it, something in that vein. The woods are in the base and very, very clean woods. Overall it's quite on the masculine side, it's very, very masculine. It is correct to pour homme or homme because it's very, very masculine. So it is in the vein, if you want to put you in the right direction, it's not a copy, it's not a one-to-one, it's not 100%, it's not inspired by it, but it reminds me of a Versace pour homme. So Versace pour homme, a little bit of Versace pour homme, a little bit of Acqua di Gio, the original, but without the florals. So the Acqua di Gio, the original, was heavy on the florals. Here the florals are toned down. So in that vein, okay, so you can see where it's going, what category of fragrances, what is going to be similar to. As I said, this is not inspired by those, it's not a copy of those, but just a similar fragrance, similar category of fragrance, similar genre of perfumes. Okay, so in that vein, and it's very well done, it's very rounded, it's very smooth, it's very good quality. For the price, this is amazing. It's very, very good for warmer weather because it's got that warm character to it, and yeah, a hint of spiciness to it, but not much, just a tiny bit of spiciness, which smells like a nutmeg to me, but it could be something else. Little bit of maybe ginger in here as well to give it a little bit of sharpness. Overall it's not sharp at all, it's quite rounded, it's quite smooth, it's quite well done, it's quite well blended, and at the moment it smells very nice, smells very friendly, smells very easygoing, smells very one of those dumb reach. If you like aquatic fragrances, if you like them fresh but you like them quite well done, this is very, very good, because majority of aquatic fresh out of the shower jelly fragrances are quite on the simple side, on the boring side. This one is not boring at all. It smells very, very nice, smells well blended, smells well done. It smells like they thought about it, they sat down and done a job properly, not just put something out to sell. Okay, so you can tell people who put this one together, they care about it, they care about what they're doing, and they want something good and good quality, and they want people to appreciate that good quality. So for the price under £50, sometimes you can find it even under £40, very, very good. It's well done, it just smells very, very good. Although I'm not a big fan of aquatic fragrances, but I really like this. For some reason it just resonates with me, maybe because they didn't put that swimming pool smell to it, because with the majority of the aquatic fragrances out there, there's something they put in there and that smells like swimming pool. That one I don't care that much about it, but in here that one doesn't exist. So it smells much more shall we say, not natural. Obviously there are synthetic elements in here, but smells more realistic. Okay, so as I said, it smells like a seaside, smells like you're in the sea resort, you're in the on the beach. Smells very, very realistic. Okay guys, at least it reminded me of those things. In terms of age, I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side, because although it's easygoing and fresh, it's friendly, but I think it's got a little bit of mature or a little bit of classic feel to it. In terms of occasion, this is Swiss Army knife. You can dress it up, dress it down. You can use it formal, informal. You can use it evening, daytime, casual, special occasion, anything you want. It's very, very versatile. In terms of seasons, similar thing. Although it's better suited for warmer weather, but it's because at the moment it's got a nice depth to it. So you can use it all year round. In winter, more sprays. In summer, less sprays. At the moment, with the 3 sprays, it's feeding the room, feeding the house. I will let you know in the next video the longevity, the development, things like that. But for now, it smells very good, smells very well done, and I give it 2 thumbs up. I'm absolutely enjoying it. So let's see what happened with the longevity and things like that. If the longevity is anything good, then we have a big banger on our hand, because in terms of smell and perfumery and the ingredients, I'm absolutely enjoying it. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems, and this one definitely smells like a hidden gem. If you want to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. They're called the scent of Persia, because the ingredients all come from my country, Iran, Persia. We make one of the best ingredients in the world, if not the best. And I come up with different concoctions, different formulations. 20 of them in my lineup. They're all Ultra Beast Mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, very artistic, very unique, very mysterious. They are like time capsule. They take you different places, different times, and the quality are one of the best for the price. I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.